In this regard, Vishwanath reveals a beautiful conversation. Now he became Vinod Valari Mandri. He entered into that universe where this lila is going on right now. Shukadeva Goswami, and rather Vyasadeva, he wrote this 10th canto of Bhagavatam in Samadhi Bhashya. And his Samadhi, he entered the lila of Radha and Krishna, and he saw the lilas, and he reported what he saw, and he wrote down what he heard, and that became the verses of the Ras Lila. But there are verses he's saying, Vyasadeva may know or not know. Just one verse. Yeah, Lord Shiva is speaking, thank you. So Lord Shiva is speaking. He's a Mahajan, one of the great Mahajans and spiritual teachers of Vaishnava truth and Tattva Siddhanta. Mahadev, Swayambhur Narada Shampu, Pralado Janaka Vijvam. This mentioned in 6th canto of Bhagavatam by Yamaraj. So he's speaking, he said, Vyasadeva may know or not know the truth of Krishna's Leela. And Sukadeva knows something, and like that, whatever, I forget what the whole conclusion is. So this is the point, that who will know Radha and Krishna Leela better than a Sakhi? Who will know Radha and Krishna's Leela better than a Sakhi, like Vishwanath? So Vishwanath is saying this. Krishna replies to the gopis from the previous verse, because the previous verse they said, Dehi Dasyam. They said, Dehi Dasyam, make us your servants. So Krishna says, so, you want to become my servants? Does that mean that I have to buy you with some payment? Or are you giving me free service? So I have to pay? Is this free? Is this free or I have to pay? There was one comedian in America, he said, in this world, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Because if you take anything, automatically you have to give, knowing consciously or unconsciously. You stop in the Govardhan Parikama, you take a free puri and free halava and free sabji. Oh, it's great, I got free halava and free sabji. And you go down another 10 meters and get free sweet rice. You go down another 10 meters and get free rasa, that sherbet drink, whatever it is, rusasa, whatever that red stuff is. So, I got all this free. But actually, what's happening is whenever you take that free food, then you're also taking the sins from that baniya who bought that food with black money. He came from Delhi, so you have to donate your piety. You took the free lunch and you donated some of your sukriti. Because everyone is doing parikama. If they interact with somebody and receive charity, then they give 1/6 of their fal, of the fruit of their seva or tapasya to the person who gave them some free food. So that's why the sadhus and the saints, they say, Radhe Radhe, no thank you. I'll keep my money with myself. We want to keep all of our things with us. We take Mahaprasad of Krishna when he arranges to give it to us directly. If one receives Mahaprasad from Thakurji, we should know that Krishna is directly giving his love to us.